Every day. The same crowd. Feels like we all are sardines in a can.
Oh, come on, Raj. This is our second office. At least we don't have to send emails here.
True. And at least here we are not under the manager's watchful eye.
Oh, the perks of the 7:30 local? I'll miss this when I retire next year for sure.
Retirement, Sureshji? Then what? You'll be sitting at home all day while your wife gives you chores.
Well, she's already started the list. But honestly, I worry about the future. Retirement, it sounds nice. But once you stop working, life gets a bit quieter.
You are right, Sureshji. My son's tuition fees are sky high, and sometimes I think about how I'll manage in a few years. Every day, it's the same thought. How much longer can I keep up with all these expenses?
Money is always a worry. My husband and I are still adjusting to each other's way. After all, balancing work and household are no joke.
Ah, the trials of marriage. Look at me, single and worry free.
Enjoy it while you can, Vikram. But seriously, sometimes my in laws expect me to cook and do household work after work, and I'm exhausted. My mother in law doesn't understand why I can't just manage like she did.
That's tough, Anita. People don't see how much our generation juggles. My wife is exhausted every night too. It's a different world now.
You're all under so much pressure. In my day, family structures were more supportive. Now, everyone's running on their own.
But isn't it all a cycle? We work hard, stress out, and then try to keep up for our families. All for a little happiness.
And that's why this train ride is my favorite part of the day. A little break where I don't have to be a father or employee, just Raj, sitting with friends.
Same here. It's nice to share and realize we're not alone in our struggles.
You all remind me of my children. They have the same worries. It makes me feel connected to this new world.
And one day, we'll retire too. And some other group will be having the same conversation here. In this same seat.
Well, friends, my stop's here.
Hang in there, Raj. We'll survive another day.
And we'll be right here tomorrow. Same time, same place.
And don't miss our office gossips.
Correct. And so, each day, they gather on the 7:30 train, a little escape from the pressures of life, where they find comfort in each other's company, sharing worries, laughter, and a moment of peace, and amid the chaos.